Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 14th of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of SPY's front testing strategy, which is the days open versus days close. So on the 8th, we had a buy signal which gave us a loss of $297.6, which is a 0.031% loss. Nothing too crazy. On the 9th, we had a buy signal which gave us another loss of $816.64. Again, nothing significant. However, if we look here on the 10th, we did make a profit of $7,871, which is a 0.759% profit, and that brought our cumulative return up to 4.338%. However, our alpha did go down significantly since the SPY also gave a higher return than this. Next, we had a loss of $9,185.92, bringing our cumulative portfolio return down to 3.455%, and our alpha further down to 12.322%. Finally, on the 12th, we had a profit of $4,361.28. So we ended off the week in a profit if you look at the comparison from the previous week. And our alpha, however, went significantly down to minus 12.532%. So that's all this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.